In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create knowledge bases in Confluence. By the end, you'll know how to set up a dedicated space, control access, design a clear homepage, organize articles, and link everything to your service desk for effortless self-service. Start by opening your Confluence site and signing in with an account that can create spaces. A knowledge base lives inside a space, which is simply a container that holds pages, permissions, and navigation just for that area. From the top navigation, open spaces and choose create space. This is where you decide how much structure you want from the start. If you see a knowledge base blueprint, select it for a ready-made layout and helpful templates. If you'd rather design everything yourself, choose a blank space and you can add structure later. Give your new space a clear, recognizable name and set a unique space key. The key is a short code that appears in URLs and search, so keep it brief and memorable. Choose carefully because changing a space key later can be disruptive. Next, open your space settings, then permissions or users to decide who can view and who can edit. Grant access to the groups or teams that need it, and keep authorship limited to trusted editors to maintain quality. If you want to publish public documentation, enable anonymous access, but do it carefully. Confirm there's no sensitive content, and test in a private browser to verify what the public actually sees. Remember, you can still lock down individual pages with page restrictions if needed. Now customize the homepage. Edit the page to introduce the purpose of the knowledge base, who it's for, and how to find content. Add clear sections such as get started, troubleshooting, and policies, and include quick links to your most used articles. A search box and a page tree or navigation panel help people find answers fast. Keep the tone consistent and user-focused. Begin creating and organizing content. Use how-to or troubleshooting templates for consistency, write action-oriented titles, and keep each article focused on a single task or issue. Group related pages under parent topics, add labels for findability, and create index or overview pages to surface key categories. Use headings, short paragraphs, and screenshots to make articles scannable and helpful. Finally, connect your knowledge base to Jira Service Management if you use it. Link the space to your service project so customers see suggested articles while they're submitting requests, and agents can share articles directly from the queue. Double check that permissions allow your portal users to read the linked content. That's it. You've created a structured, searchable Confluence knowledge base that's easy to maintain and even easier for your audience to use.